Is your Mobile Legends show you low and unstable ping while playing games? Recently, some Mobile Legends users have been complaining unfortunately their internet is not stable on their Mobile Legend Bang Bang shows low ping and low MS while playing games. Now to solve your problem, watch this video to learn a quick way to solve internet not working or low ping or low MS issues on Mobile Legends. So, let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer option, scroll down. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose Always to keep mobile data. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Mobile Legend apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Enable Location. Go back. Now scroll down. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now, tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Mobile Legend, and quickly check for a new software update for Mobile Legend application. Now go back to and open Mobile Legends. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with Mobile Legend on your Android. Thanks for watching.